creating a pipette that feels and performs like real, but tracks all the actions needed to create the feedback necessary for your training. Adjusting the volume, putting on the tips, drawing up the liquid with the press of a plunger, transferring the liquids, and lastly, ejecting the tips. All these actions are digitized and presented to you in a form that is useful. Creating this wasn't easy, and we faced many challenges, including how to make this device wireless, make it feel like the real one, give all the haptic feedback, as well as display the volume, track the movement, detect the tips. So to accomplish all these features, we incorporated many sensors. We added accelerometer, gyroscope, we added some magnetic sensors, some position sensors, a knob to control the volume, a tips ejector button, and even the tips detection feature. Our biggest challenge yet was designing a test tube that could detect the depth of the pipette, as well as whether the pipette tip touched the wall or not. We accomplished this by designing a wireless test tube that can be recharged and can be connected to our system. It detects the depth, and it can tell you if you accidentally touched the wall of the tube.
One of the key elements of our virtual lab project was the development of the Proximity Hub. The Proximity Hub allows us to connect wirelessly our tubes and the multiple pipettes that you're going to be using while training for this particular procedure. However, there were a couple of challenges that we had to overcome when we were developing the hub.
The biggest challenge was connecting all the Bluetooth devices to one. We discovered many issues with the amount of devices that can be connected. So we developed our own custom solution, and we can connect tubes, pipettes, boxes, and many more devices.
What is very important here is that we can connect up to 14 devices, very different devices, through the hub, and the hub will collect all the signals and send this to the computer. This is very important because when we're working with the virtual lab, we will likely be using at least 5 different pipettes and 5 different tubes, which already put us at 10 devices that are all channeled through the hub. The other very important part through the hub is that when you're trying to bring 14 signals all together through the same channel, you might start losing some data. And that's why Arthur was saying that we needed to create a custom board to be able to receive all the signals without the risk of losing any data.